Welcome to the Big Box Outlet Store, a treasure trove of brand-name products at unbeatable prices. With branches across Greater Vancouver and the convenience of online shopping, you can save up to 70% off regular retail prices on clothing, appliances, furniture, electronics, and more. What's even better? The store personally inspects, tests, and recertifies previously opened items, making them available for you at an incredible discount. Let's explore everything this store has to offer. Holiday and seasonal items. As the holiday season approaches, don't miss their Christmas lighting collection. From twinkling lights to inflatable decorations, you'll find everything you need to transform your home into a winter wonderland. Big Box Outlet Store has a rich history of bringing brand-name products to customers at deeply discounted prices. Known for its commitment to affordability and quality, the company specializes in sourcing overstocked, discontinued, and liquidation items. This means shoppers can enjoy incredible deals on a wide variety of items while also helping to reduce waste and promote sustainable shopping practices. Helmets and safety gear are also available for outdoor adventures. Fitness equipment. Check out the gym section, featuring bikes, weights, and other fitness equipment to keep you active without breaking the bank. Toys and games. For the little ones, the toy section is filled with everything from puzzles to action figures, offering fun options for kids of all ages. Kitchenware. Next up, the kitchen section boasts dishes, plates, and all the cooking essentials you need to upgrade your culinary game. Don't forget to check out the food and beverage section for snacks and pantry staples. Home furniture and decor. Moving on to furniture, you'll find mattresses, rugs, sofas, and beds in all styles and sizes. The rug and carpet section offers quality options to add comfort to any room, while their heaters and air conditioners ensure your home stays cozy all year long. Don't miss the wide selection of storage boxes, organizational tools, and home improvement items. This store has it all. Apparel and accessories. The clothing and accessories section features stylish options for the whole family, from casual wear to work attire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite bargain finds. See you next time.